Hello everyone, I am Ashish Kumar and I do teach logical reasoning and data interpretation for CAT with Unacademy. Most of you know me by today, yes. Why? Because we have worked so hard in last 4 months to cover the entire syllabus of CAT on Unacademy CAT YouTube channel. सारे के सारे sessions they are pretty structured in my playlist on Unacademy CAT YouTube channel. आपको करना क्या है? Go back to the channel Unacademy CAT, look for Unacademy CAT on YouTube. वहां पे look for LR का playlist, look for DI का playlist. There are more than hundreds of videos of all relevant topics in detail. But yes, some of those who have missed all the fun and don't prefer what to watch the recording videos, उनके लिए this is the last opportunity. Yes, what I'm going to launch? We are going to launch a crash course on DILR for CAT 2020. In all, this crash course will have 60 sessions and this will cover all relevant topics. If you attend all the sessions and do a little more practice on your own, you will ace the examination for sure. As shown in the PPT, that the concepts would be covered from basic and I'll take you till advanced concepts. Yes, don't miss the opportunity. This is the last opportunity, beta. Today is 12th of October and this is the last opportunity. Examination is on 29th of November. You have hardly 45 days left. So a question arises, sir, 45 days are left, like starting from tomorrow. The course is starting from 13th of October, where Unacademy CAT YouTube channel daily at 9 p.m. And this is absolutely free. There is no charge whatsoever. Just come, learn, and go. Why? Because at Unacademy, we do believe to provide high quality content completely free of cost. Nothing. Just come, learn, ace the exam. Yes, succeed in your career. This is all we are targeting at. Nothing else. Great. So, sir, the major question could be, sir, in 45 days, how we will have 60 sessions? So, yes, it's pretty simple. देखो, exceptional situations requires exceptional measures. So yes, what we will do most of the days, like we'll need 20 days where we will have 2 classes in a day. One in the night, one in the morning. We can do this now. Yes, we will do this. So the classes are going to commence from tomorrow, that is 13th of October 2020, 9 p.m. on daily basis on Unacademy CAT channel. Yes, do come and join. Don't miss this last opportunity, boys. Together we can and we will. Yes. Let's crack it, boys. See you over there.